everybody! Now, since the Christmas time is almost over, I chose this one to make before we will fully dive into Easter and springtime. And yes, it is from Bluebird. It has got 500 pieces, and Bluebird is normally a quite good quality, so that shouldn't be a problem. And I don't know what else to say about that. So, let's do the jigsaw! So that's it, my last Christmas puzzle for this Christmas season. And yes, it was a Bluebird, it was a good quality, as I predicted. The doggy is cute, the fire is on, and yes, nothing more to say here. So thank you guys for watching, and we will see us on the next one. If you want, hit the like button. Thank you, bye bye.